In this video, we will demonstrate the new electronic check-in feature. You will get an option for this during trial creation, but if you've created a trial prior to this going in, if you navigate to the trial options, in the entry options, there's down the bottom, it says use electronic check-in for this trial. If we set that to yes, this will bring up a second option that says exclude unchecked in entries from the running sheets, which basically means if you are doing a check-in and people haven't checked in, it will remove them from your running sheets, your gate stewards list, all that sort of stuff. So I'm going to turn that on for the sake of the demo. So we save that. If we go back to the trial dashboard, you'll see a new button that says check-in, and this will give you a list of competitors, their catalog numbers, and the dogs involved. So on the right hand side of this screen, I've got a scribe sheet that we'll use for an example, and you can see that there's no entries currently because nobody's checked in. So if somebody comes up to the office, you can find their number here. You can also search by number, name, handler name, or dog name. So we'll check in number 500. You can check their entries. If they're not there, you can scratch. So let's say they want to scratch just their jumping. We'll scratch that one off, and then we'll check in the Masters Agility entry. All good. And then if we jump back to the running sheet, refresh it, and we can see the dog is there as we've checked it in. So pretty much just go through that for your trial when people get there, and they'll all jump in to their classes automatically. So just to demonstrate the other option, we will turn off the exclude unchecked check-ins. So we'll save that one, and we can jump back here. If we refresh the eScribe list, you'll see everybody's in there. So if you don't want to be that harsh on it and use it as more of a tracking tool internally, it's entirely up to you. You can also undo check-ins and still scratch after the fact if you like. I hope you find this extremely useful. Thanks for watching.